Hello, today I'm going to analyze the bending of fingers. When a finger bends to another finger, it has a great impact on our personality, on our life, and on our success. Let's start from the little finger. If your little finger is bending towards Apollo finger, it shows that this person has a great lust to earn more money in short time. One more thing, if the top phalange of Apollo is good, then this band of short little finger indicates that this man has sacrificed a lot of his dreams only to let his close ones to get their dreams fulfilled. That's a good thing. Now, if your little finger is bending towards outward, it is not a good sign. It shows the man can be a cheat. He can do some fraud. He uses his great mental skills only to befool others, to cheat others. It is not a good omen. Now, the next finger, and that is your Apollo. Mostly, Apollo finger is bending towards your mid Saturn finger. It shows that you are not satisfied with your present status of life. You think that you deserve more work, you have better capabilities, you deserve more good work. What you are doing, that work doesn't deserve your hard work. You need more as you are not satisfied with your present status. If your Apollo is bending towards your little finger, it is a good sign. It shows the man uses his brain to make a good growth in business or in some scientific work. He gets success, prosperity, regard, name, and fame. That is a good sign. Next, here is your mid Saturn figure. If it bends to Apollo, mostly it finds in the same manner. It shows that this man had left some work without completing it in past. And one more thing, he may give up some work incomplete. I mean, he can leave the work without completing, especially in future. The next possibility, if your Saturn finger bends towards your index finger, it's good. If your index finger is long, one can be dominant. He has a great tendency to impose his wishes on others. And if your certain finger takes a curve and bends to index finger, it simply shows that this finger will control your that dominance. It will save your fragile nature. It will make you able to bear the petty remarks which can harm you. It makes you mentally very strong. Next thing, now the index finger. Mostly it is found bending a bit towards your mid Saturn finger. It makes a man a so-called religious. But the most significant thing is that if index takes a curve, just bends towards mid Saturn finger, it shows that a man can be self-centered. When he gets self-centered, he starts making introspection of his achievements in his life. When he does so, he feels very low. He is all confidence and his all dignity just disappear. He feels disappointed, harassed, defeated, very sad, gloomy, solitary, all alone. So it is not a good thing. It shows that this person needs constant encouragement, especially from family or friends as well. And this is all about the bending of fingers. It is better if all the fingers are straight. But if they bend, they have a great impact on our personality, on our life, and all our achievements, everything. That's all about the bending of fingers. I hope you will like all these things and these facts will enrich your knowledge. I will see you very soon. And thank you very much for watching and listening to me. Thanks again. I will see you. Bye bye.